Welcome to Homes and Land's Real Tips. In this episode, we'll look at air cleaning systems to help combat airborne toxins that may be circulating inside your home. Commonly, a central heating and cooling system uses a mechanical filtration system. You buy a filter rated to work with a particular unit and slide it into place. For those who don't use a central system or who have special needs, a residential air cleaner might provide extra protection from irritants. Here's a look at what's generally available. Portable air cleaners. These units, usually equipped with a fan, are designed to remove hazardous particles and circulate clean air in an area of a home. They may work mechanically by drawing air through filtering material or electronically with an electrostatic precipitator that traps charged particles. The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency cautions that these units may not be effective in removing large particles like pollen or dust mite and cockroach allergens. Ozone generators. These products produce ozone through the use of a UV light or electrical discharge and clean the air by removing toxic particles. However, health experts say ozone can cause some of the health problems that you're generally trying to avoid. The EPA is frank on the issue, posting this warning on its website. Ozone is a lung irritant that can cause adverse health effects. PCO units. Photocatalytic oxidation air cleaners react to the light of UV lamps and are designed to destroy polluting gas inside a home. The effectiveness of these products, however, is currently under debate. UVGI cleaners. Ultraviolet germicidal irradiation systems are designed to destroy viruses, mold, and bacteria by using ultraviolet light. These units are not meant to substitute for other types of filtration. Although experts say that UVGI cleaners are effective in destroying some viruses, they may not eliminate all biological pollutants in a home. Thank you for watching Real Tips. Be sure to check out all of our helpful videos and articles. And stay tuned for more real estate news, information, and advice.